Hello friends, nice to see you again. Today I will cook a Bulgarian traditional shepherd salad. This salad is on the menu of every Bulgarian restaurant. This salad is the explosion of flavors. As you can see, how many products we have here. This salad is fresh and I will be honest with you. This salad is a real calorie bomb. If you're a vegetarian, don't worry. You just can remove the ham and will be your salad. Stay with me. Let's cook. Pork ham. Friends, it's really tasty. Yellow Bulgarian cheese. Onion. Fresh Bulgarian cucumber. Fresh and sweet. Pink tomato. So fresh. It's so juicy. Roasted red pepper. The taste is fantastic. This is marinated mushrooms. Very good. Salt. Black pepper. Olive oil. Extra virgin. Lemon. Let's mix a little bit. It smells so good. Friends, our salad is almost ready. Olives. Look, friends, it's so colorful. Boiled egg. Friends, we are almost ready. Now I will put Bulgarian cow cheese. Parsley. And I will put a little bit black pepper and olive oil. It's just my preference. Friends, look, it's a masterpiece. This is the queen of all salads. Let's try. Mm, it's fantastic. As I said at the beginning, it's an explosion of flavors. I recommend it to everyone who hasn't tried it yet. I'm sure that you will fall in love in this queen. Mm. As I said at the beginning, it's perfect for everyone. For vegetarians, you have to just remove the ham. Believe me, it's perfect for you. Friends, write down below in the comments what do you think about this bomb of flavors. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.